Kia ora, my name's Tess and my hubby Marco and I did Verena's Earth Building Academy. We did it for a couple of reasons. Firstly, my hubby Marco is a builder by trade, and so he's really interested in natural building, and he's been involved in quite a few earth building projects. So it was really cool for him to be able to go through the theory and the history of earth building, and then through each module it goes through the theory of the technique and then the practicalness of the technique. And for him, he just was like got so much out of it. The learning was really easy for him because he'd already done the techniques. For me, I hadn't I was kind of on the periphery on projects, so for me I hadn't really got my hands dirty with it. So it was really cool because Verena really encourages you as she's teaching to go and apply the techniques, and for it to absorb. For me, I really needed to do that, so I decided I would retrofit our compost toilet, our outside compost toilet. So it's a bit behind me, which I've had a little play, which was cool because because Marco said to me, I'm not helping with that because he normally gets involved with any building project that I want to do, and he said, no, you need to learn, so you do that by yourself. So it was really cool because I could jump into the module, listen, follow along with the technique, and then go and apply it and learn and make mistakes and learn. So it was broken down really easy through the different modules to be able to apply the different techniques. So yeah, that was really fun. And also we are building a home in the next year, and we knew we wanted to build with natural materials, but we weren't quite sure what technique we wanted to use. And after doing the academy, we were really sold on the Adobe brick, just for all its benefits and the way you build with it, and of course its beauty and its aesthetics. So we're really looking forward to doing that, and we know that this academy, we've already learned so much about the Adobe, but as we start to build next year and it becomes even more applicable, jumping back into the modules and being able to answer any questions will be really helpful. Verena's really good at that too. She's really valuable throughout the academy to help with questions and any other projects that you've got going on. So we're really grateful that we're going to have her help in the next year and through the academy as well. And yeah, thank you for the gift that you've given the earth building community, Verena. You teach in such a simple, easy way to understand. With your modules, you've got it laid out so wonderfully, and you teach with a lot of empathy, which is really, really lovely to be involved in the group.